Have you ever noticed that after turning 30, those extra pounds seem to stick around no matter what you try? It's frustrating, isn't it? Welcome to Weight Loss Decoded, where we break down the real reasons behind your weight struggles in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into why your metabolism is slowing down after 30 and what that really means for your body. If you're feeling like your body just isn't cooperating anymore, you're not alone. Millions experience this shift, and it's not your fault. It's a natural part of aging that we can understand and gently work with. Let's start by unpacking what happens to your metabolism as the years add up. Metabolism is essentially how your body turns food into energy. After 30, it often slows because of gradual muscle loss, a process called sarcopenia. You might lose about 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade if you're not active. Less muscle means your body burns fewer calories at rest. Hormonal changes play a role too. For men, testosterone levels dip, affecting energy and muscle maintenance. Women might notice shifts with estrogen, especially approaching perimenopause, which can influence how fat is stored, often around the belly. Lifestyle creeps in as well. Busy schedules mean less movement, more desk time, and perhaps inconsistent sleep, all of which dial down your metabolic rate. Think about it step by step. The cause? Age-related muscle decline and hormonal tweaks. The effect? Your body needs fewer calories to function, so even eating the same as before leads to gradual weight gain. The result? Diets that worked in your 20s now feel ineffective, leaving you stuck in a cycle of frustration. Why do most quick fix approaches fail? They ignore the root causes. Crash diets might drop weight fast, but they often lead to muscle loss too, which slows metabolism even more. It's like trying to fix a leaky roof by just mopping the floor. The problem persists underneath. Instead, let's focus on practical principles that support your metabolism sustainably. First, prioritize strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Simple moves like squats or lifting weights build muscle, which naturally revs up your calorie burn. Second, aim for balanced protein in every meal. Think eggs, nuts, or lean meats. Protein helps preserve muscle and keeps you feeling full, reducing the urge to overeat. Third, don't overlook sleep. 7 to 9 hours a night regulates hormones like cortisol and ghrelin, which control hunger and stress, both key to metabolic health. Fourth, incorporate daily movement beyond workouts. Walking after meals or standing more often adds up, helping maintain your energy expenditure without exhaustion. And fifth, manage stress through small habits like deep breathing or short walks. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which can promote fat storage and slow things down. Now, common mistakes to avoid. One big one, relying solely on cardio. It burns calories in the moment, but doesn't build muscle like resistance training does, so your resting metabolism stays low. Another, skipping meals to cut calories. This can signal your body to conserve energy, actually slowing metabolism further. And ignoring portion creep as life gets busier. Plates get fuller without noticing, tipping the balance toward gain. Remember, this isn't about overnight transformations. It's a long-term perspective. Consistency over perfection wins here. Small habits compounded over months lead to real changes. Be patient with yourself. Your body adapts gradually, and that's okay. Take a moment to notice. How has your daily routine shifted since your 20s? Reflecting like this builds awareness, the first step to change. Here's a high-value insight that's often overlooked. Your gut health influences metabolism more than you think. A diverse microbiome from fiber-rich foods like veggies and whole grains can improve how efficiently your body processes energy. Neglect it and inflammation might quietly hinder your efforts. Another rare truth, metabolism isn't fixed. Even after 30, you can influence up to 70% of it through habits, not just genetics. That empowers you to take gentle control. To sum it up, metabolism slows after 30 due to muscle loss, hormones, and lifestyle. But with strength training, protein, sleep, movement, and stress management, you can support it sustainably. Avoid cardio-only routines, meal skipping, and portion creep for better results. If this resonates, hit that subscribe button for more decoded insights on weight loss. We're here to guide you every step. As you go about your day, remember, your body is adaptable. With understanding and small shifts, you're building a foundation for lasting ease. Until next time.